Portfolio committees in the House of Assembly have started to debate the first quarter reports of the different ministries of government. When Parliament resumed its parliamentary business on Tuesday, the Portfolio Committee of the Ministry of ICT debated the ministry's first quarter report for the current financial year. In his preamble, the Minister for ICT, Dumsane Ndlangamandla, said they have done so much on the area of digital migration.
Chairman, angisho ukuthi digital migration. Isebenzile litiko Chairman ngoba cishe njalo fasibikile ngaphambilini endlini ukuthi cishe siwamithile ama deadlines ikakhulu ukuthi lena sikhuluma nge-infrastructure. La khona bakufanele ukuthi noma ngawe yasakade nabe le infrastructure seyikahle ukhona. Yebo sasinema challenges awula ama set-top boxes. Kepha ke namhla lo ngikhuluma Chairman angibike ukuthi ema-set-top boxes akho netito. Sengiko nje ukuthi eMaswati akahambi ngendlela lefanele ukuthi ngabe ahamba ngayo.
Members of the committee applauded the arrival of a new mobile company, Swazi Mobile. The legislators expressed their concerns, though, with the operations of the two state-owned media houses, SBIS and Swazi TV. With Swazi TV, the legislators wanted to know why was the collection of TV licenses fees outsourced. The committee also asked the minister to explain why one employee of Swazi TV has been working without pay.
Le infrastructure ikhona yile kumele ukuthi wonke umuntu lemakhaya akhona ukubona le thola. Nayo ingekho ngicabanga ukuthi le infrastructure umsebenzi wayo uhulumeni. Le litiko laselikhuke lo. Sokukhona nje umhlonishwa bekachaza ukuthi eMaswati labanenge ukuthi uyahlola ukhandle ukubizisa satellite, and that indicates ukuthi aMaswati abukela umsakazo wabomakhelwane. So kase simbambe nathi izinga lokwenteka amakhelwane kwendeke lakithi. Ngicabanga lokuthi encane nangabe kudinga increase le subvention to lo msakazo wetithombe. Ungadina lokho ku-increase the customer base yabo. Bese kutawenta ukuthi bese kugcina ke kuyaba attract labalabanye labangibona banema interest ngithola imali.
Uyahamba uya lapha ecabinet. Uya nencwadi lesekhonda lomunye uthi ahamba ayosebenza lapha kaSwazi TV. Bo April last year wakasimelane lo msho ulapha uhamba nayo uyafika uyayibika uyahamba nomuntu uyalapha kaSwazi TV ngekwemthetho akagala kathi indaba uhamba uya kaSwazi TV uyawusebenza lo umsebenzi abamnike wona lapha labafanele uyafika kaSwazi TV April last year lo muntu unabantwana unemkakhe basebaba bebile ukuthi lofile nabantwana bayafunza nakuya kufuneka kube nekudla etiko kunakokonga ngakho ke lo muntu usukela kuleso sikhathi leso uze kube namuhla losikhuluma nawo uze kube nyalo akanayo isenti lamhola from April last year.
The minister responded to the legislators.
Lokusho umhlonishwa waseBhabane West ngokuthi kwenziwa yini ukuthi kube nemuntu lo station kepha angaholi asikubhekela ukuthi ukhona lokwenteka ngokuthi unga understand uhulumende usebenza kanje kuba khona nabo sithi i-secondment. Now secondiwe kuhulumende uyahamba uyelela uyakhona nakathi ngiyakuseconda lela uyakhona ufika utholele salary yakho lo utholela usuka khona plus 30%. That is a secondment according to the rules and regulations of secondment. But ukhona ke nakulokunye kokuthi now you are acting ukhange kule position maybe uhola 100,000 kanti wena so actor le position awukhamuki kahulumeni awukethi ngesecondment ukhona la kule organization uhola 30,000 ithi-ke le ndzaba nasawu-act udabe uthola le difference ya 30,000 na 100,000 buka ukhamba kuhulumende uthola 30,000 so uyasekhondwa to the parastatal lehola 100,000 you are not going to get the 100,000 that has to be clear. The regulations are clear, it's by law. You have to get the 30% as the regulations stipulate. Akufika ke sekushayiswana lapho umlapho wesibese ingene nje kungako nje sitawukhela lokuthi letinye taletindzaba sifike lokuthi itendlandlini sesiyenile le research ngoba ngeke bese sesikhanzakala sesefuna umthetho.
The committee then asked the minister to bring written answers on Friday on some of the questions. For Swazi TV News, I'm Linton Kule with Sibusiso Ngubane, Parliament.